great Redeemer, pilgrim through this foreign land. I am weak, but you are mighty. Hold me with your powerful hand. Bread of heaven, feed me now and evermore. Feed me now and evermore. Open now the crystal fountain where the healing waters flow. Let the far and cloudy pillar lead me on my journey through. Strong deliverer, shield me with your mighty arm. Shield me with your mighty arm. When I tread the verge of Jordan, bid my anxious fears subside. Death of death's destruction, land me safe on Canaan's side. Songs and praises, I will raise forevermore.